If we say we have no sin, we are liars and the truth is not within. Even our righteousness is like a filthy rag. The truth is we ain't got nothing to come with around and brag. If we haven't been washed by the blood from the cross, then we'll always be here, living forever in fear. We need you now, oh Lord. Jesus is the way. Yes, He is. Please have mercy in the name.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, Alpha, what's up? Alpha, what's up? What's popping? Today's video is a sledge video. Like, I feel like I've been bringing you guys back to back sledge, you know, bars, bills, bars. So today's video is a hair from Allove hair. You guys have wanted a short bob since like forever. It's their 13x4 deep wave short bob wig lace front human hair. It's so long. It's their human hair short bob deep wave. I got it in a 14-inch or 14 inches, and you guys are always asking me for how much it retails for. On the website it says $82.8, so that's like $83, and converting that to naira is 83 times 360. Pretty cheap, that less than 30k. So it retails for less than 30k if you want to buy. That's minus shipping, obviously. I don't know if they do free shipping if you buy it from AliExpress. I think so. You guys, I bleached this hair twice. That's how you know good hair. Like, I first bleached it once, then I was going to do like hot water dyeing method, but I don't know, I changed my mind again. I wanted the color to be a bit intense, and I felt like hot water method might share it down a bit too much, so I went in with the usual dyeing method. I'm going to obviously insert clips of everything, how I dyed it, the processes, so that you guys can see. I bleached it the first time. It was like a honey blonde color, and I knew that it wasn't going to take if I put the dye on it, so I bleached it I bleached it one more time. This time it went really light, as you can see in the video. It went really light, and then I colored it. You guys know my haphazard way, and I just put dye on it, use my hand to squeeze it together, and it worked. So before I keep rambling on, I'm going to lay the hair, then I'm going to do my makeup off camera, obviously, because ain't nobody got time. That's about that. Whoa. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to show you guys the hair now.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
My god, like, can you just imagine Okwe did this herself? Yeah, god, she color you should make sense, but guys, this is it. Let's first of all just look for a part, and so that we'll stop looking crazy. Guys, I want to use another style of laying my hair today. Let's see. So after washing black forever, I finished laying this frontal, and I want to, cause it came like really coily, but too much manipulation and straightened it. I'm going to put, I mixed in here Hawaiian Sky. I'm sure you guys know this stuff. I mixed it and water inside here, so that's what I'm going to drench this hair in. So let's do this. Hopefully it makes sense. So guys, this is it's after I finished spraying. Yes, I took my blouse or my gown off, but then this is how it looks after. So guys, I'm going to finish my makeup off camera now. Yes, because I just can't, and tidy up all these things, and I shall be back.
So many times I thought you'd leave me. Broken inside, I feel I've lost my sanity. I don't believe in happy endings. Bottle my pride and hope you'd still love me in the end.
Hi guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look because I really love it. Like do you guys like this look? I really like it too. Like, yes, I did cut it haphazardly. I will figure it out later. I'll cut it better when it's on the mannequin, but then I wanted it a bit shorter. Nah, this hair is bae. Like, I wish it was a closure actually, but so I can rock it every day. But I will still rock it every day. It has a band. I sewed a band on it now, so it's going to be tighter. I won't need to like glue it down all the time. Like, I proper love this hair. Do you guys think I may have hacked the baby girl lifestyle finally? Like, there's so many pretty ways to rock this thing, this hair. So guys, this is the hair from Allove hair. It was 14 inches, but I think I've cut it short now. It's almost like a 10. So if you guys really want this length from the onset, I think you should just buy a 10. Yeah, I think that's what you should do. I don't have any challenge with this hair, to be honest. I really don't. For the kind of stress I put this hair through, I would actually expect it to have given up on me, because fam, I bleached this hair twice. I wanted to color everything. I bleached the lace or everything. All the links you guys need will be in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. Let me know what you think. Is your girl hot or not? So that's all for this video. Before I keep rambling on, I love this hair. I don't have any complaints. I'm sorry. Yeah, so the makeup tutorial for this look will be on Instagram. I didn't record it for YouTube. Please watch it on Instagram, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I genuinely want to know what you guys want on this channel, because like I'm taking my channel to another level, guys. I'm no time for everyday makeup tutorial anymore, so I need to know what you guys really want to see. Challenges, fun things, video ideas that is not makeup related, guys. I think I'm bored of makeup already. I need to know what you guys want, things that are not. If you really want makeup tutorial, let me know whatever you guys want. I will definitely make it. But I've seen that you guys don't really watch my makeup tutorials anymore. You guys just want me to just be having fun and be showing you people. So let me know what you guys want. If you want people on this channel, video ideas, basically, just drop it in the description, not description box, guys. Drop it in the comment section, and yeah, I'ma see you in my next video. Let me adjust my outfits before I look like Oompa Loompa. I'ma see you in my next video. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging with me. Peace out. Kisses.
We need you, God. We can't be righteous without you. Only you. Only a sacrifice is true. You see, all the falling short of the glory. We need salvation indeed. That's the matter of fact, the story. So who can make us right when we just don't get it right? The flesh keeps knocking us down, and we keep losing the fight. There is a war that is raging. Oh yeah, captives are taken, 'cause people are lying to themselves and say, have mercy on us. We need you now, oh Lord. Jesus is the way. Shall be saved, saved. Everyone who calls on the name of the Lord shall be saved, saved. Everyone who calls on the name of the Lord shall be saved, saved. John 3:16 and 17. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that through him the world might be saved. Jesus, 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 Jesus is the way. Please have mercy.